Hello everybody, my name is Lucia and I'm personal trainer and community triathlon coach at the Edge at the University of Leeds. Health Week returns for 2021 to bring colleagues together to try to get out into nature. So we are here to share some of our hobbies and work we do with you. So one of my hobbies is baking. And so I have one of my favorite recipes, which is millionaire shortbread the healthy way. You only will need 7 ingredients and I will go step by step with you, and I hope you will enjoy the recipe. So please let us know, how did you get on? So and this is it. So I only did the small bunch, which is 4.5 to 6.5 inches. I'm gonna put it back in the fridge to let it settle down, and then I will slice it. You can also put it in the freezer and have it later in the week, or you can keep it in the freezer for a month and take it for your walking or hiking, running, or any outdoor or any activity you do, or just it's a nice healthy snack while you're working. You can make it dairy-free way, which I did. I use soya unsweetened milk if you prefer vegan or dairy-free options. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Let us know, how did you get on. Don't forget to check other contents we've got for you, and enjoy your healthy week, and we cannot wait to hear back from you. See you soon. Bye.